What's that, Lexi?
Polar bear.
Yeah.
Look, it's first and sister.
Oh, are they nice to each other?
Yeah, but they bite sometimes.
Oh no, that's not nice.
But they're so fun.
Okay.
And this is their baby.
What's that?
That's a seal.
Yeah.
That's their baby. I love them. They're a family.
Oh.
And here's the dad and here's the mommy. Family hug.
Oh, that's nice.
I want them to say, it's okay, I'll say put this in my hand. They're the Famadidos.
Okay, say bye to the polar bears.
Bye, polar bears. Bye, Mom.